How to convert string to binary? I am in need of a way to get the binary representation of a string in Python. For example, is there a module of some neat way of doing this?
Something like this?
If by binary you mean bytes type, you can just use encode method of the string object that encodes your string as a bytes object using the passed encoding type. You just need to make sure you pass a proper encoding to encode function. Otherwise, if you want them in form of zeros and ones binary representation as a more Pythonic way, you can first convert your string to byte array, then use bin function within map. Or you can join it. Note that in Python 3 you need to specify an encoding for byte array function. You can also use binASCII module in Python 2. Hexlify return the hexadecimal representation of the binary data, then you can convert to int by specifying 16 as its base, then convert it to binary with bin. We just need to encode it.
You can access the code values for the characters in your string using the OR built-in function. If you then need to format this in binary, the string.format method will do the job. Thanks to Ashwini Chowdhury for posting that code snippet. While the above code works in Python 3, this matter gets more complicated if you're assuming any encoding other than UTF-8. In Python 2, strings are byte sequences, and ASCII encoding is assumed by default. In Python 3, strings are assumed to be Unicode, and there's a separate bytes type that acts more like a Python 2 string. If you wish to assume any encoding other than UTF-8, you'll need to specify the encoding. In Python 3, then, you can do something like this. The differences between UTF-8 and ASCII encoding won't be obvious for simple alphanumeric strings, but will become important if you're processing text that includes characters not in the ASCII character set.
If you're on 2 please come to the subscribe